In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a set of trees or a set of streetlights in perspective using the one vanishing point. The first thing you're going to do is start off with the horizon line and add a vanishing point. Next, you're going to set up a sidewalk and a curb. Just set up a street. You'll notice that I added a little bit of shading on the curb to right here, to show that the curb goes up and then over, and then that the sidewalk is flat. Okay, continuing on, you're going to just lighten the horizon line. I can't erase or lighten on this program, so I just erased most of it. And then I'm going to add my first tree. So once you add your first tree, to know how big to make the other trees as they move away in space, they're going to get smaller as they move towards the vanishing point. You're going to add some guidelines from the bottom of the tree and the top of the tree that go towards the vanishing point. Once you have those established, then you can add more trees as they move away in space. Remember that the trees will get less detailed as they go towards the vanishing point because they're getting farther and farther away from the viewer. The next thing I wanted to show you was that you can do the same exact thing with stoplights. So on the other side of the street now, I'm going to go ahead and place a sidewalk and a stoplight. I'm sorry, a street light. To make the next set of streetlights the same size as the first one, I'm going to draw some guidelines that go from key points in the stoplight. So where the base attaches to the pole, and then going up to the top where the pole changes direction, and then of course where the light overhangs. So I used 4 guidelines to help draw my street light. Then I'm going to add a second street light using those same anchors. So here I'm using the anchor at the top of the yellow, that guideline, and then you notice that I have the pole change direction here, and I add the light at the 4th guideline. I'm doing one more, and notice that that one has even less detail. So this is how you would establish having a set of items that are the same size moving away in space.